Hi there, quick unboxing of this, which has just arrived, the Insta360 Go2, which I've heard very good things about. I did have a Insta360 SMO, but I didn't get on with it, and it was unfortunately faulty, so that had to go back. And I thought I'd try this. I didn't find the SMO that convenient with the connection side of it, and hopefully this will be easier. And the idea is it will be going on this 95X little quad drone there. That's been sitting waiting for a camera to arrive. Had a little mount made for this, so that the kindly Unmanned Tech, who I bought this from, sorted me out with that. Great company to deal with, very helpful on the phone or email. So let's have a little. This is one-handed, I'm afraid, because I'm just recording this with my phone. Just waggle that. There we go. Interesting bit of packaging, sitting there like a little bean on the outside there. That's quite cool, isn't it? So there's a tab. We'll lift the tab up, and behind there is a thing. I've always wanted a thing, but I don't know what that thing is. Don't know. Right, so let's lift this up. So we've got sort of a diagrammatical explanation of what's going on there, little flow diagram. Under here we have quick start guide. All right, again, one-handed, apologies. I do want to know what that is. I don't know. Actually, there's pictures on it to explain how to get it. So quick start guide there, and in under there are the sort of charging. It's the charging pod. Oh, look, there's a little mount there, but that's the magnetic mount there. This is the little pod it goes into. So if I flick it open one-handed. So that has a little battery, I believe, in it and can charge it. Oh, hello. It's writing in there straight away. Let's see what that says. It says the date and press to connect and stuff like that. Wow, so it comes with a wee charge in it. Oh, very exciting. Nicely boxed, nicely packaged. And so you take the first thing off. Second step, you take that out. So let's do that. So take this off the box. Oh, right, so that's magnetic. Look at that. That's what's keeping that in place. Oh, I like it. And then we take this off by opening that up. And then, I'll tell you what, I think we've seen enough. I don't want to bore you with my investigations of what's going on, but it wouldn't be a sort of fresh unboxing unless I did that. So, right, anyway, I'll get back to you when it's all up and running, and we'll see what the footage is like when I'm whizzing around on my 95X there. Thanks for watching.